All right, today we're going to bring an LED light, and this is good for portraits. If you guys notice, I'm charging it right now, and you'll see it charging in red, but on the remote, it comes with on and off, different brightness. There's 3 modes, if you guys can see, 1, 2, and 3. And then you got negative and positive if you want to turn it down, that mode that you picked. And then you got minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60, and 120. So you could set up the actual tone, so it could have a light. If you want to see certain portraits at certain times, you can do that in the night. This is great. It's magnetic. It doesn't need anything else to charge. I'm turning it on because it's very sensitive, the actual light itself. Like the button, it's right here, the power button, if you guys can see it. This part right here is the part that you're going to mount right over the portrait, right? And they do give the screws, of course. They're included. Right now, we're going to charge this, and we're going to put it to use as soon as we fully charge it. So if you could even use this for anything. It doesn't have to be portraits, because it does have a magnet, and pretty much this is what happens. You magnetize, it magnetizes, and it just grabs onto the whole system, and you could put it pretty much anywhere. This could actually connect into even to your fridge or anywhere you're underneath your car. You could use this light for not just portraits, but it is for portraits, but you could, I could use it for other stuff too. So it's very interesting that you can have that. Right now we're charging it. Type-C connection. We're going to mount it up, and we're going to set it up and see how it works. So this place is a little dark in here. If you guys notice, I put the actual stick there. So we're going to see how much this portrait can be shined with this light. So let's go ahead and do that. Look how beautiful it looks now. Perfect. So when people come in, they're able to see the painting, the drawing. You guys notice, perfect lighting. It's away from the wall. You can always charge it. Use the remote. Put 30 to 120 minutes, 15 to 120 minutes. It'll last you all night. The battery doesn't need to be charged, only every couple of days. Not that bad. Look how bright it is. It's actually brightening the whole room here. So you could dim it down, you could change it manually. Like I said, you could change it manually, or you could change it with the remote. So we're going to change it manually. That's 1. You guys can see that. That's 2. And then 3, it turns off. It's completely dark. I'm going to bring it there. So we completely go 1, 2, 3. It's dark, completely dark in here. Up and down, turn it on. So you guys can just touch it once. You guys can see. Pretty good light. For portraits, paintings, anything you want. It's magnetic. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.